Oh my gosh.
This is extra large Bombshell volumizer, and this foam is unbelievable at giving you epic volume. But I think what we should do is only put it in half of your hair so you can really see the difference of the product. Now let's do the same on the side that has no product in it. Check the side with extra large.
Oh my goodness, look at that volume.
Okay, now let's check the side with no product.
That's
sad in comparison.
not as exciting.
Wow,
Oh
so
my gosh.
bouncy and shiny.
Oh
Wow.
my gosh. I can't even believe that this is my hair.
It's such a difference from when you came in. Oh my god, and so shiny.
Crickets.
Okay, I would say there's a big difference here.
Definitely.
The shine and bounce that you have on, oh my god.
I didn't even know my hair was capable of having this much volume.
I can't even believe the difference too in shine here. This hair is so much more reflective and it just feels so good. It doesn't feel like you have anything in your hair. It's unbelievable. This is so sad. And now we've got to fix this other side for you.